Farmers encountered significant challenges with traditional iron plows, often facing breakdowns and inadequate soil penetration. These challenges jeopardized their productivity and livelihoods, underscoring a critical need for innovation in agriculture. The introduction of the steel plow in 1837 marked a transformative moment in farming, drastically enhancing efficiency and productivity for those grappling with heavy clay soil. This innovation reshaped the landscape of agricultural practices. Initially, many farmers were skeptical about the steel plow's durability. However, John Deere's dedication to genuinely addressing farmers' needs fostered widespread acceptance of this breakthrough, emphasizing the importance of customer satisfaction. Farmers' loyalty to John Deere significantly relies on the reliability and performance of its equipment. A loss of this trust could deeply affect the company's market share and reputation, highlighting the importance of maintaining strong relationships. In the agricultural industry, word of mouth plays a pivotal role. A company's reputation directly shapes farmers' purchasing decisions, making it essential to cultivate trust among the community. The invention of the walking plow illustrates Deere's commitment to meeting real-world farmer needs. This advancement greatly improved efficiency and reduced costs for smaller operators, transforming their farming practices. Deere's introduction of cultivators was instrumental in enhancing soil health and controlling weeds, ultimately boosting crop yields for farmers. This innovation played a significant role in improving overall productivity. By providing a diverse array of agricultural implements, Deere empowered smaller farms to effectively manage larger fields without increasing operational costs. This strategy promoted scalability within the farming sector. Continuous improvement and innovation were crucial for maintaining competitiveness in the agricultural machinery market. Deere understood the dangers of complacency and consistently pursued development. Partnerships proved vital for Deere's success, particularly his collaboration with Leonard Andress in 1843. This alliance significantly bolstered their production capabilities and overall efficiency. Deere's strategic move to expand to Moline in 1848 provided better access to essential transportation routes. This relocation improved manufacturing capabilities and addressed the escalating demands of the Midwest market. Rapid growth introduced challenges, particularly in upholding company values. The risk of prioritizing profits over authentic farmer needs threatened trust and the brand's reputation. The financial panic of 1858 presented substantial obstacles for John Deere, leading to diminished demand for agricultural equipment that necessitated a reassessment of production strategies. This period was a true test of the company's resilience. During economic downturns, cost management became increasingly important. Deere streamlined operations while striving to maintain product quality and profitability, proving essential for survival. Building solid relationships with farmers was essential during the panic, underscoring the value of customer engagement and open communication. Trust emerged as a critical component for sustaining business through adversity. Deere's diversification strategy was vital for his survival, allowing him to lessen dependence on a single product line while exploring new revenue opportunities in challenging times. Cutting corners on quality or forsaking innovation could have severely damaged Deere's standing among farmers, impacting the company's long-term success and competitive advantage. Investing in research and development was crucial for Deere, enabling product improvements and helping to regain market confidence rather than resorting to short-term profit strategies.